So over the weekend, I got the Soundcore Boom 2 Plus, and it's such a lovely device. So this is everything you can expect from the device if you get one. The handle strap is in the box, and also Type-C USB cable and the user manual. The device is service enclosed in the bag, which I'm just going to tape out in a moment. So at the top, we have the control buttons. So stick around while I go ahead with my full unboxing review on my overall experience with this lovely device. Thank you.
Hello guys, Terek is here and welcome to Digital Dive. And today I've got my hands laid on two lovely devices from Soundcore. I've got the Boom 2 Plus and I've got the Motion X600, which I've been using for a while. So I'm just gonna tell you the one I think will probably fit your wants and needs. So by explaining what I observed, none of this is sponsored by anyone. I wasn't gifted. I bought it with my own money with the sole purpose of making sure you made the best choice in the market. So I've tested this in real world situations, indoors, outdoors. I cranked the volume up to 100, and also I'm just gonna let you know, like, there are big difference between these two. So the first thing is the design, right? The design and how portable they are. When it comes to portability, X600 wins. And when it comes to being rugged and durable, I'll choose this, which is the Boom 2 Plus. So, but like I said, it all depends on what you need. So the Boom 2 Plus is built like a tank, chunky, rugged, with a built-in handle. It screams party anywhere. It's also fully waterproof, so you can literally toss it in pool and it's gonna float based on the hertz. So the Motion X600 is a whole different vibes. It is sleek, portable, and really nice. You can put it on the shelf, you can put it on your table in the office, like literally anywhere in the house, and it's gonna fit. And even if you're traveling, you can easily slick it in your bag. Because I've taken this, like when I'm traveling, I easily pack this up because I've been using it for a while, and it's just so good that, you know, you have a Bluetooth speaker and you can just commute it, like take it around anywhere you're going. But this one, on the other hand, is gonna take more space. So another thing I'll just talk about is just the overall, like, the design. So at the back, they have something similar. At the back, it's made of plastic, and on the front has metal chassis. And this one as well, at the back, like I said, there's some plastic there, and on the front, it's metallic. Yeah, I'm not mistaken. Yeah. On the side, we've got the passive radiator and the LED light, you know, that pops up when the music is on. You know, it signs with the music. And on the side as well, we've got another one. So that's it with the build quality, the durability, and how portable they could be. So when it comes to durability, like I said, this wins. When it comes to being rugged, I'll choose this over. So last but not the least, I'll be talking about the battery and the features on these two amazing devices. The Boom 2 Plus lasts up to 24 hours, while the X600 lasts about 12 hours. But if this is on the max volume, you're not gonna get 24 hours. I believe you know that. So if it's on like medium, like 50% volume, or like 30, 20, yeah, you can get it very good amount of juice, like a very, very good amount, which is really impressive. Yeah, very close to 24 hours. But if it's like very loud, of course, it's not gonna last too long. And moreover, this fine chunky thing, the power bank on its own, it has an auxiliary in, and also you can use it to charge your phone with the Type-C USB cable compatibility. So you can charge it, and you can also use it to charge the device as well. So that's really, like, amazing. You're not gonna run out of juice. So the X600 also has another edge here. The X600 has LDAC, mini high quality audio for audiophiles. If you like your sound crispy, clean, this guy is for you. It's called small but it's mighty. It also charges faster, way more than the Soundcore 2 Plus. So my final verdict on this is, want a rugged, bass heavy, long battery speaker? Boom 2 Plus is your guy. It's your best bet in the market right now. Although there are so many brands that are similar to this, but something about Soundcore, they go all the way hard for their product. They are very reliable in that aspect. When they say this is what you're gonna get, believe me, you're gonna get it because they put in their heart to their products and they've been very consistent over the years. So I would recommend this if you're a bass head, if you love bass music, you're going out this summer to enjoy yourself, just get this one. If you want something premium, immersive, audio, stylish design, go for the Motion X600. Because just look at this beauty. It also has some really cool features at the back, lest I forget. So it has an aux in. It also has an input. So you can only use it to charge this one. This one can not serve as a power bank, sadly. So this is the app interface for Boom 2 Plus. We have the battery on the upper left hand side, and also you have the power button to toggle it on and off, and you have the volume slider. You can pause and play your music here, and you have the bass up technology 2.0 as well. So the EQ is just the last thing on the table here. The EQ, you can preset your EQ, use the Soundcore signature or whichever one you prefer. And also you've got the custom one, just like the Motion X600, where you can easily customize or adjust your music on how you want it to sound specifically. So another thing is the light option. Here you can choose from variable of options. If you want a flash, if you want flame, if you want lightning, anyhow you want it here. So, and if you want it turned off, you can easily press the globe button here. It's gonna turn off the light. So basically that's everything about the Boom 2 Plus. Now let's quickly check out the app interface for the Motion X600. So now this is the Motion X600. This is the app interface. So we have the battery icon on the upper left side, and also something indicating LDAC, and also the power button, and you've got the setting on the right hand side, and you've got the volume slider here, and at the bottom of the screen we have the equalizer. You just need to click on it, then you can change it to your preference. If you want extra bass and Soundcore signature, so it's pretty limited, but you can adjust it to what you want, which is the custom EQ, which I find really helpful. So basically that's everything about the app interface for the Motion X600. So guys, that's everything you need to know about this device. Please kindly like, subscribe, and comment on the next device you'd like me to review, and also let me know the device you'd like to choose from these two. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Bye.